Hello guys, this is Miss Ekman. So today we're going to learn lesson 7.4, which is the last one from chapter 7 from my Business Math 1 kiddos. Okay, what are we going to understand today? The final charge, the average daily balance method, which is one of these. It is different from 7.3. Okay, you said, oh, there's the same thing. No, it is not. So I wanted you guys to pay attention. So what is the objective of this lesson? It says here, the student will be able to compute the final charge based on the average daily balance method, new purchase included. Okay, what that means? Okay, new purchase included. It means that the company is going to add any new purchase to the balance at the end of the day. If you use your credit card, okay, if you went to buy clothes, it is going to show on your balance that you already owed that money, okay? Remember guys, credit cards, it is you don't have that money in the bank. You asking, to borrow that money to buy clothes, to buy food, to go to restaurants, to go to on vacation if you didn't save for it, okay? It is not the money, you don't have the money in the bank. It is the bank is allow you to use their money, okay? So don't get crazy when you get your credit card. Why? Let me tell you, there happens two things. Credit card companies also, I'm going to tell you why I said also, charge a late fee if they do not receive the payment by the due date. If you were supposed to pay, at the end of each month, if they don't receive the money, they're gonna charge you a late fee. Okay, guys, and sometimes it's $30, $40, $50, even $60. If you don't pay, at the time that they told you that you have to pay your credit card. Okay, what is the other one? In addition to the finance, it is in addition to the late fee, if you don't pay, you have a final charge if you do not pay the total amount of the purchase. If you use your credit card, if you don't have money at that moment because they haven't paid you, if you use your credit card to buy, I don't know, because you need a pair of shoes to go to work, okay? And you pay $60 for a pair of shoes. And at the end of the month, if you didn't pay those $60, they're gonna charge you a finance charge. And then if you don't pay at least, okay, the this amount, they're gonna give you, a late fee charge as well. So you need to be careful every time that you use your credit card. Don't get crazy, don't get greedy because you have a credit card. It's a lot of responsibility, okay? So we can see, and how to read when they give you the statement, how to read the statement and what is important things of the statement so you can know what's going on, okay? I have this statement over here and it says here, find the sum of the daily balances. It is at the end, sum of the daily balances, it was 4,279 and the number of days, it was 30 days. You have it on the example, guys. Okay, so we already know. So step number 2, find the average. Find the average daily balance. How am I going to do that? Like I said, it is the sum of the daily balance. It is at the end. So I have 4,279.94. I'm going to divide this by what? By the number of days. We already said that it was 30 days. So when I divide it, I'm going to have 142.66. It is the average daily, okay? It is how much you spent daily for those 30 days, which is a lot, guys. Okay, so it is 142.66. So step number 3, remember for step number 1, it was only to see okay, these two numbers, to locate these numbers on the statement. For number 3, it is find the finance charge. How can you do that? It is the average, daily. It is 142.66 times. It is going to tell you here, periodic rate is 1.5%. It is because it is a percentage. I'm going to divide by 100. So it's going to be 0.015. Okay. So which one is the final charge? It is 2.15. Okay. So you guys are doing okay? Perfect. For number 4, what am I going to do? It is find the new balance. I'm going to find the new balance. And what is this one? It is the previous balance. Okay. Plus, guys, the finance charge. Plus the new purchase. And minus the payments. Okay, so I'm going to do that over here, and I'm going to say this. The previous balance, it is going to show you over here, guys. It is a previous balance, and it tells you this 124.37. So 124.37 plus the finance charge. Okay, so we already find it. It was 2.14. It was 2.14 plus the new purchase. It says here purchases and advances. So it is going to be 130.56 minus the payments. It is right in the corner. It says payments and credits. $75. So $75. So remember, it is the previous balance. You add the finance charge. Why? Because you have to pay that money as well, plus the new purchase and minus the payments. Once you add and subtract, at the end you're going to find the new balance, which is 182.07. That will be your new balance. So be careful, guys, when you guys are using your credit card, because in the future you are going to use it. So imagine, you have to pay for the the fee if you don't pay on time, and another charge if you don't pay the total amount that you own. Okay, so have a good day, guys. Bye. See you next time.